On today's Tune Into Tourism interactive tutorial, we were talking about an appetite for food and drink tourism. We were very lucky to have 3 expert guests, and here they are with their top tips.
My top tip for tourism businesses is don't be shy about your product. Don't be a self-deprecating Scot. Collaborate with others if you can't do it on your own. My example of this is Bute Kitchen at Mount Stewart on the lovely island of Bute. They're collaborating with lots of local suppliers, Richie's of Rothsay for fish, McAllister's for their dairy, and they're bringing all sorts of good stuff over on the Calmac ferry.
Hi, my top tip is to keep it simple. There's nothing better than eating fish and chips with a great view. This has been shown by the New Haven Fish Market. They've just been voted one of the top 10 foodie things to do in the world, up against places like Noma. So don't be afraid to take something off the plate, taking something off the menu, and just show off your produce.
My top tip for tourism businesses is do your research, know your competition, set your vision, listen to your customers, and don't be frightened to change if you have to. When we first opened on George Street, we had a cheese counter because we thought we wanted to be a shop as well as a restaurant. So within 6 months, we ripped out the cheese counter and created a bar. It was the best decision we've ever made.